So this is going to be a quick tutorial in regards to Project 4 and how to get started. Basically, just when you go over here, you'll see up on Canvas I've got Project 4. We're going to be taking a trailer for either a video game or a movie and replacing all the sound effects, dialogue, and music for it. So what you'll want to do is go over to Canvas, go to Week 10. You're going to want to start by picking your trailer, so click this link here to go over to your Project 4 trailer options. We've got a bunch of ones over here. All of them are a little bit different, so some of them will be more dialogue heavy, other ones will be more sound effects heavy, some will be more music edit heavy, some will be kind of soft and fun and light, and others will be a lot heavier and like more impactful and spooky. There's like a crazy car alarm going off outside, so that made it into the recording and I'm not going to redo the take, so deal with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and download my choice. So I'm going to do the Kirby one because it's fun. The big thing that is different from the other projects is that I'm going to let you guys work on this in the DAW of your choice. So if you want to use Pro Tools, go for it, but I'm not going to force you to do it. We're going to test it out. I want to see what it's like. We've done the first half of the semester all in Pro Tools, and I want to see what you guys do in your DAWs of choice now. So let's see. I'm going to go ahead and open up my DAW of choice, which is Logic. I've made a new session here, and this is, it just has some blank audio files in it. So for Logic, it's really easy. You just drag and drop the video in. If you use Pro Tools, I have a video on the YouTube channel that goes over importing your video, so that should be okay. If you need to, go over it there. Yeah, so here it is. Here's my video, and now it's in Logic. Awesome. So for this game, basically, and what you guys are going to do for every single trailer is once you have the trailer in your DAW, you can take this and just mute it. It's there, so you have it for reference to see maybe if you're stuck on something, what they may have done in the original. But I want to hear zero sound effects, music, or dialogue from the original. From here, just start re-sound designing and re-dialoguing and re-musicking. That was a really quick tutorial, and I'll go over in the next one, we'll talk about session management.